now that we've been living with this washing machine and while it's on for a change, I mostly use the quick wash cycle, especially when we're off grid and we don't have access to top up water easily. It uses about 30 litres. Tom's work clothes though do need the full wash, and that uses about 80 litres, so we try not to do that unless we have to, and if we've got water, because that's a fair swig of our water, 80 litres. But what I have learned is that if you put it on for an extra spin, quick wash and then extra spin, they come out so dry, they take no time at all on the line to dry. So that's what we're doing here. We just put the extra spin cycle on, gets a heap more water out. We got plenty of solar to do that, so that's not a problem. But yeah, the extra spin seems to save about 3 hours on the line. Gets things really dry, especially like towels or anything bulky, gets it super dry before you pick it out.